Is the hide page visit visibility setting not working on the LinkedIn app? If your profile or page visits are still visible to others, the visibility setting isn't saving, or you can't enable private browsing mode. In this video, I will show you how to fix hide page visits visibility on LinkedIn. The first thing you have to do is to go to LinkedIn app. You will click here. In this page, you will go to above, you will click on settings, you will enter to this page of visibility, and then here we click on page visit visibility, and then you click here to hide it. So this is how it works. Please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe.